AAG recommends this bungalow house. Here's Level 1. Spacious living area. Let your imagination run wild to transform this house. Good-sized rooms. Cozy dining area. Functional kitchen for those who love to cook. Outdoor kitchen for your favorite Asian cooking. Check out this huge garden space. Moving on to Level 2. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Large wardrobe space for your clothing collection. Check out Level 3. Good-sized rooms. With the right furniture, you can bring out the true charm of this home. Enjoy an exceptional view from your home. Available now at attractive price. Amazing unit, isn't it? Make this your home today. Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.